How to activate Spaylater in Shopee. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to activate Spaylater in Shopee. To activate Spaylater on Shopee's official website, follow these steps. Go to the Me tab and select Spaylater. Here, click on Activate Now. Then enter the one-time password sent to your mobile phone. After that, you will have to upload your government ID and any additional information required. Next, you will undergo the facial verification process. You will receive approval within 24 hours. Once approved, you can use Spaylater for shopping on Shopee. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.